welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
Guys, I got bangs.
They're cute. I love them.
Thank you. Your turn, Connie.
Actually, kind of down. Now that
Do it.
Maybe.
That would be so cute. So today, tonight, it's nighttime. Tomorrow, we're gonna be going to Big Bear for like a little snow. There's no snow yet, but we want to like get in the holiday vibe. So a cozy
cabin.
Cozy cabin. So we're gonna do a little weekend up there. One day.
24 hours.
24 hours in Big Bear. So
My first time going to Big Bear.
Is it?
Besides going...
Yeah, I grew up there, but Big Bear is kind of different from where I grew up. It's like an hour, not an hour, but like 30 minutes away.
It's like the closest I've been.
It's just like the same thing, but a little further, to be honest. But yeah, we're gonna show you guys. That's gonna be a different vlog. This is going to be what we're bringing. So we want to do like a little what's in our bag, pack with us video. We're just gonna be showing you what's in our luggage. And it's the night before. It's actually 1 a.m. guys. 1:35 in the morning. My luggage is so messy. Okay. We're just gonna go back and forth.
Pajamas.
Those are inside out.
I know. You know what?
Cute.
When clothes are inside out, like, and they're clean, sometimes I'll keep them like that.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like, especially like pants or jeans, they get like wrinkled and they'll be on the inside. So when I put them on, they're fresh, I swear.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's a hack.
Or like black things will get lint, but then it'll be like on the inside. You'll flip it
So you just keep it like that?
until I wear it.
Well, yeah. Imagine. I got my PJs. These I wore in the holiday video, you guys. Some clips. I got this new one. This one's like a pearl vibe.
Unpacking to repack.
Kayla, if you're watching this, this is not your flannel, and I am not bringing it with me. I bought this today from Tilly's. I don't know why. I just thought it was like really freaking cute. It's like this little sweater. Giving cabin.
That is cute.
Thank you.
I brought jeans and like one bodysuit in case we decide to adventure and go to dinner.
Outdoors. Oh, I should do that.
Dinner, I don't know. But everything else I brought was like pretty casual, and it's gonna be cold when I looked.
Yeah, it's like gonna be like 36 degrees.
Yeah, so I'm a baby when it comes to the cold, so I got like turtlenecks, beanies.
Oh, those are cute.
I got
like this.
Those are cute. But isn't it funny?
UGG?
It's UGG, but like,
I get it. Those are cute to match with your UGG.
I just never worn them, but I've had them.
That's cute.
I brought a bunch of long socks and then leg warmers. They look really cute with the UGGs.
Those are really cute.
Oh, and I brought these.
Oh my gosh, they're cute. I need ear muffs.
I've never worn these.
Those are so freaking cute.
I can't even open them.
Oh, those are cute. Dang, I suck
Not even gonna be
packing.
snowy. It's gonna be all sunny.
I know. It's okay. We'll Photoshop some snow in there. I bought this because this is what I sleep in with my hair. And I bought this jacket today too. That was freaking
That's
freezing
cute.
today. Oh,
I
it's
love
upside down.
cream.
And I also brought this puffer. I've had that puffer for like ever.
I brought this.
Oh, we have matching creams.
It's pretty warm. And I like it because it's thin. And then, again, because I'm a baby, a long
That was
puffer.
a long jacket. I have a long jacket, but it's like in my storage somewhere and I literally like it's packed up. Oh, you know what I have on the back of my car? And since we're going early and it's just us two?
Yeah.
Guess.
Sled.
Rummy Cube.
Oh my God. I was like,
In the back of my car.
because on my way here, I was like, I forgot to bring Rummy Cube.
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
But I like yours better because you have the ones
wooden
with the
pieces?
different. No,
Oh, you have one.
I have the wooden ones.
See, I haven't seen one. Oh, mine's plastic.
Yeah, but you have the ones with the, what are those extra pieces called?
Oh, I hate the faces. I never understand the faces.
But
There's
yeah.
this game that we love to play. It's called Rummy Cube. And Tani always wins. But you know, last time we played, I was like younger and dumber. So I feel like now I'm more of a challenge.
Just like last year.
A lot happens in a year, okay? But now I feel like I'm a challenge.
Oh, I brought a pillowcase.
I'm done. Is that a silk pillowcase?
Yeah.
That's actually really smart.
I have to.
Yeah, I just brought my bonnet.
Well,
but that
that
doesn't make
works.
sense for my face.
Oh yeah, for your face too.
Because I do not sleep like this. I sleep on my face.
No, I'm a
I
back
hate
sleeper.
that I sleep on my face. Okay, one time I slept on my back the whole night and then I woke up and my back was sore.
Did you elevate your legs? I elevate my legs and I sleep and I don't move.
And your back never
It's
is
very
like
rare.
sore?
No, because I elevate my legs.
I want that beauty pillow that forces you to stay. I need something to strap me in so that I don't turn on my
I know what you're
face.
talking about. They make beauty pillows depending on what type of sleeper you are. But they have a side one, but it's like indented.
This bodysuit because I thought it would be cute with this cardigan. That's what I'm gonna wear
that
up
is
there.
cute.
Thank you. I don't know if I should wear that or my grandma's sweater. And then skincare. I just brought a shit ton of skincare. I'm not gonna go through my skincare right now because that's a whole nother video in itself.
I brought an extra pair of shoes.
You did?
Oh no, in case
Tawny be bringing like 5 million shoes. I brought heels just in case we're going to a club. Tawny is a big bear.
No,
I don't think there's any club.
They are tennis shoes. I don't know, in case we go hiking.
Dead.
Oh, I brought my...
It's not the N&M.
N&M.
Supplements.
And an AC with milk thistle.
Deodorant, the Native. This one's the best freaking deodorant of my life. It's Native, sweet peach and nectar.
Native.
Cheers.
I don't have the spray.
The spray stays on forever.
Really?
Mm-hmm. This toothpaste. You have this one, huh? The same brand.
Yeah.
But I have to have the sensitive one because my teeth
I've
are
never
so
even
sensitive.
seen that one.
Has coconut oil.
I've never even seen that one.
Amazon. Amazon. We have it. My makeup, of course.
Makeup, skincare. I don't know. I brought a bathing suit in case there's a hot tub.
Thank you. I need to do that. Puffer, that's pretty much all I bought. And then stuff that I'm just like not gonna show, like underwear and shit like that. I don't think that's appropriate here. Is that it?
Yeah, that's all I have.
So that's what's in our bag. I'm excited for the vlog. Excited to go up there for a day. Fresh air. I love going up to Big Bear.
Yeah.
It's all fresh air and it's cool. It's actually freezing cold.
It's cold. We're babies. So it's even colder.
Freezing cold.
I'm gonna be wearing all my layers.
Yeah, but it's good to be with nature.
Feels like fall because I went on a work trip 2 weeks ago, the weekend before Thanksgiving, and it's like kind of same
Environment.
like, I'm tired, you guys. I'm tired. I've been up since 6:30. But yeah, same environment. And it's just like, it feels like fall. It smells like fall.
Just gets you in the vibe.
Get a hot coffee.
Oh yeah, I need hot cocoa. You guys want to see what Tawny got me for Christmas? Hold on 1 second.
Wait, then you're gonna have to grab. I'll
Yeah.
grab it.
Kobe? Oh.
I said then you're gonna have to grab mine, and I said I'll grab it.
Oh, you're my Kobe. I'm gonna show you why she got me this. Look it.
It's so cute.
Because 1 second.
I was just randomly in a store, and then I saw it, and I was like, I have to get this for her. It's too cute.
Cause my baby.
Because of Kobe.
It's him. He's on the cup.
Yeah.
This dog drives me nuts.
Yeah, no, I saw it and it was perfect. I was like, I have to get this. And then Dree got me this because we love Harry Potter.
It's a
so
teacup.
cute. It has the castle.
It's so cute. I love the
Harry
color.
Potter. And it says 9 3/4 on the little plates. So cute.
Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. Let us know if you guys like this video.
We're excited to show you and take you along with us to Big Bear.
Yeah, I'm excited for Big Bear. It doesn't look like we're excited, guys, because it's 2 in the morning right now. But
I've been up, I think I already said it, since 6, I can't even talk, since 6:30. It's bad. Like I was driving here and then I got to her house and I texted her, I was like, I need a car nap because I knew, and I never sleep in the car. And like, I knew if I like grab my bags, come up the stairs, like it was just gonna break that little window. So I texted her and I was like, I wanna take a nap. I put a timer on my phone for 30 minutes and I was like, I'm gonna wake up. No, it went off at 30 minutes and I didn't even know where I was for a second. I was like, where am I? It was
the best naps. I know, she pulled up to my house and I'm like all waiting for her. She told me her ETA and I'm like waiting for her. You have to take a 20-minute car nap. And I was like, okay. To be fair, she can't nap up here because my dog is like so loud. He barks 24/7. So he would have woken you up anyways.
It helped though, give me the extra push.
To film this video. We wanted to film this video for you guys.
Video. Now we're gonna go to bed.
I'm gonna wash my makeup off and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm actually not that tired. I'm more of a night owl, but she's exhausted. Her bedtime was like 2 hours, 3 hours ago.
Yeah.
Okay, well, good night or good morning whenever you're seeing this.
Yeah. We'll see you soon.